In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in an Asana task description. If you've ever wanted to add a screenshot, a diagram, or a quick visual reference directly into a task, this is the simplest way to do it on a desktop or laptop. Start by signing into your Asana account using a web browser on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the project that contains the task you're working on. Open the project, then click the specific task so the Task Details panel slides out on the right side of your screen. Inside that panel, place your cursor in the description field. This is the rich text area where you can type details, format text, and, in our case, add media. Look just above the description for the small plus icon labeled Insert Object. Click that plus icon to open the Insert menu, and from the drop-down, choose Image. Your file picker will open, allowing you to select an image from your computer. Choose the file you want to use, then confirm. Common formats like PNG and JPG work great. Keeping the file size reasonable helps the image load quickly for your teammates. After you select the file, Asana will place the image directly inside the task description. You'll see the image appear inline, right where your cursor was. Take a moment to review how it looks. Next, add any surrounding text you need. You can type a short caption above or below, include context about what the image shows, or outline the action items that relate to it. Clear labeling helps your team understand why the image is there and what decisions or steps it supports. When you're satisfied, click anywhere outside the description area to save your changes. Asana saves automatically, and clicking away confirms that your description, along with the image, is updated. That's all it takes. Log in, open your project and task, click into the description, insert an image from the menu, and add the context that brings it to life. If you don't see the plus button, make sure your cursor is active in the description field and that you're using the desktop web interface. Also, ensure you have permission to edit the task description in your workspace. For clarity, choose images with legible text and minimal clutter. A quick crop or highlight before you upload can make all the difference. And remember to avoid including any sensitive information in screenshots, especially when sharing tasks across teams or external collaborators. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.